Hi guys, my dog wanted me, but he doesn't want me to get him down, so you may hear him in the background barking. It's just because he just wants to know what I'm doing, because he knows I'm doing food, but he doesn't want me to get him down, so he just has to stay up there. But what I was saying, like, if you're vegetarian and you do not like meat, you can use like these portobello mushrooms because they give you like a beefy taste. You can use rice and like a meat substitute. Cause I think, don't they make faux turkey or something like that? And you can also look online about vegetarian stuffed bell peppers. Hold on, guys, for a second. And like, yeah, just look online for like vegetarian stuffed bell peppers and stuff like that. Because you can always substitute and things like that. So I'm just chopping these up, and I'm going to chop the rest of these up, guys, and I will be right back. And so you don't have to watch me chop this all the time, this whole time. So I'll be right back. Let me finish chopping these up, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, it's your girl Rebecca here. I have chopped up about a cup and it's 3/4, probably almost 2 cups of portobello mushrooms. I have these left. I'm just going to put them in the refrigerator. And sorry that you're seeing this just down. I'm trying to do a video where you can see me do everything. And I think my neighbors across the street are going to be having a garage sale. So I'm taking these sun-dried tomato halves. These are by Gallon, and I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1. And that's pretty good because most of the time, if you want to get sun-dried tomatoes, they cost about $4 or $5. They look like this. They smell really nice. So I'm going to chop some of them up. And like I said, I don't know measurements or anything. I'm just going to like slice them up in like little slices of like this. And like if you wanted to, you could like soak these in water or soak them in your favorite like dressing or anything like that, and it will make them bigger and give them a little bit more flavor. So I'm going to put them together like this, so I won't be here all day chopping them. And so I'm just going chop them up. And I would have got 2 bags of this, but they didn't have any. They only had 1 bag, so we're working what we with what we got. It tastes pretty good. They're a little tart. Not salty, they're just like a little tart. I'm not going to put a lot of them in there. I'm just going to put them all that I have on this board. And that's all. Sorry about the noise if you don't like the scraping. I just want like a little flavor. I'm gonna throw that piece out. Okay, this one needs to be cut. And like with these stuffed bell peppers, there's all different types of variations you can go with. You can go hot and spicy, you can go vegetarian, you can go the way I'm doing it. So this is about 3/4 of sun-dried tomatoes. I still got a few in here. And I'm just gonna seal this up. And if you like these types of videos, let me know. Comment, share, or whatever. So I'm going to now put this side, and I have my big bowl here. I wish I could get like a big clear bowl, but if I did, I don't think I'm going to have enough like space. So I'm going to try to put you guys up a little higher, like right there, so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I have this big bowl here. I'm going to put all the 2 pounds of beef in here, and like I said, you can use ground beef, you can use sirloin like I'm using, you can use ground turkey, you can use whatever you like to use. I'm gonna throw this away. You could probably use ground chicken, or whatever. Let me try to see if I can get this to be heavier. Can you guys see? Sort of.